sitting here in the car waiting for the fireworks to go off. Supposed to be on right now at 9 o'clock, but it's not yet. We are at Irish Culture Center. Oh, around there. That's where they're gonna shoot the fireworks. So yeah, still waiting and waiting and waiting, and I want Fridays. The firework is about to start. I'm excited and cannot wait to see the fireworks. I skipped it last year, so hopefully this year I could see it nice and bright. Everybody, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Enjoy the fireworks.